CRM tools are powerful for managing renewals and upsells, but many businesses don't realize just how much potential they have. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to leverage CRM tools to keep track of renewals and upsell opportunities, ensuring you're maximizing revenue and customer loyalty. Stick around until the end, because I've got a bonus that you'll want to grab for your own CRM journey. First, let's talk about how you can streamline renewals in your CRM. Start by setting up automated reminders and tasks for when a customer's subscription or contract is about to end. This software can track important dates and automatically notify you, so nothing slips through the cracks. You can set up workflows to trigger follow-up emails or tasks for your sales team to reach out, offering incentives or updates to keep them on board. Next, upselling. A CRM tool makes this easy by tracking customer history and behaviors. For instance, if a customer has been using a basic service, your CRM can flag them as a candidate for an upsell when they're showing signs of needing something more advanced. You can automate the process, sending tailored offers at the perfect time, based on their usage or engagement with your service. It's like having an intelligent assistant that knows when to offer more value. Now, let's talk segmentation. A powerful CRM allows you to segment your customer base based on their interests, purchase history, and renewal cycles. You can create custom lists that will target customers who are due for a renewal or upsell opportunity, ensuring you're only sending the right offers to the right people. This is far more efficient than mass marketing and helps to increase conversion rates. Don't forget about tracking metrics. In your CRM, you can monitor how your renewal and upsell efforts are performing. Look at open rates, response rates, and actual conversions to understand what's working and what needs tweaking. This feedback loop is essential to refine your strategy and optimize your efforts. And here's the secret. Once your CRM system is properly set up, these tasks essentially run themselves. The beauty of CRM tools is that they automate the manual work, leaving you with more time to focus on strategic decisions that actually grow your business. Quick recap. To manage renewals and upsells, use your CRM to set up automated reminders, segment your audience, trigger tailored offers, and monitor performance. These steps will save you time, increase revenue, and improve customer satisfaction. Before I go, I want to remind you that I'm offering an exclusive free trial of our software below. It's the same software I'm using to show you all these tricks today, and it's perfect for automating renewals and upsells. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to get started. Key takeaway. CRM tools are game changers when it comes to managing renewals and upsells. Automate the process, personalize the experience, and keep track of everything so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial below.